Today we start at the top for the letter L. See you later, friends. All right, boys and girls, we are doing the easiest letter there is to write, the lowercase L today. You just need to remember to start at the top, come down and bump. Do not start and go bottom up. Come down with your lines. So practice your uppercase L first. You come down, bump the line, and travel. Down, bump the line, travel. Practice, bump the line, travel. If it looks good, give me a check. Again, easiest letter here. It's just a line. Just remember to start at the top. Come down, stop. Come down, stop at the line. Make sure you're bumping. Down, stop. Looking good. Check. Next, go ahead and read the words and copy them. Remember your L starts at the top, bumps the line. Magic C, up like a helicopter, back down. T is just like the L. Look, you start with an L, then you cross it. E, swing, run those bases. All right, copy all those words. You'll copy each word 2 times and just check. Make sure if you make a mistake, you're erasing and making that handwriting look just like the book.